So, good day everyone. And today I will present to you a simple user registration form that requires the user to enter a strong password. So, first, nagprint po tayo ng ating title which is user registration form. Next po is nag-declare tayo ng variable which is name and si username. And nangingi po tayo ng input sa ating user. Nag-set na din po tayo ng value for choice 1 and choice 2 which is user and admin. Nag-declare din po tayo ng variable which is special characters na nagko-contain po ng mga special characters. Then, gumawa po tayo ng while loop. So, while true, infinite loop po siya unless i-break mo siya. So, inside the loop is meron po tayong input statement which is si choice. Choice is equal to input enter type of user or admin. If choice, which is yung ating input statement, is equal to choice 1, which is user, or choice 2, which is si admin, is mag-end na po yung loop. So, either of the two is mag-end na po yung loop. But if di po niya na-meet yung condition is magpiprint po siya ng invalid input and please enter a valid input. Next naman po natin is another while loop for the password. So, while true, infinite loop unless you break it. Password is equal to enter password. So, ito po yung magiging variable ngayon ng password. Dito po siya may store. If len, dito po tine-check yung length ng password. If len is less than 8, magpe-print po siya ng password must be at least 8 characters. So, 8 characters pataas lang po yung tinatanggap niyang password. Then, continue. Next naman po is, if not any, char that is upper for char in password. So, for every character po, check po niya kung may isa pong naka-uppercase. Pag wala pong naka-uppercase is magpe-print po siya ng password must contain at least one uppercase letter. Please try again. So, pag na-meet na po yung condition is magko-continue na lang po siya. Next naman po is same lang po sa is upper. Pag for each character po, pag wala pong naka-lowercase is magpe-print po siya ng password must contain at least one lowercase letter. Then, continue. Then, ito naman pong char is digit. So, for each character po, check po niya kung may digit sa ating password. Pag wala pong digit is magpiprint out po siya ng password must contain at least one number. Pag na-meet naman po niya yung standard is continue lang po. And for the last one, if not any char in special chars, for char in password. For every character in the password, check po ng loop na ito kung meron po siyang kabalyo dito at least one. Pag wala po is password must contain at least one special character. Pag na-meet naman po niya, kahit isa po dito, is nag-proceed na po siya. Then matatapos na po yung loop. So, another while loop ulit to confirm the password. So, confirm, ito po yung variable para ma-confirm po natin yung password and mag-i-input ulit si user. If confirm is not equal to password, mag-print out po siya ng password does not match. Please try again. Then, babalik po siya dito and maghihingi po ulit siya kay user. Pag na-meet naman po niya yung standard is tatanggapin na po niya which is password successfully accepted. Then, mag-break na po yung loop. Then, yung final po is yung maglalagin na po. So, correct username which is short for correct username is equal to username. Yung dineclare po natin kaninang variable na i-input po ni user. Then, correct password is yung kaka-check lang po din po natin na password. Then, maximum attempts is equal to 3 for security purposes po. So, another while loop. So, log uname, ito po yung variable ng username na ilalagin ni user. Then, log password, same lang din po. Is si user po mag-login, then dito po may i-store yung value. If correct uname or correct username is not equal to login username or correct password is not equal to login password, mag-print out po siya ng invalid credentials. So, hindi po nag-match yung mga credentials dun po sa ating naka-stored data. Then, maximum attempts less minus equal to 1. So, magbabawas po siya ng 1. And then, ipiprint po niya yung number of attempts remaining. So, if galing ka po 3, then nagkamali ka po ng isa, is magiging 2 na po siya. Then, continue. Pag na-meet naman po ng ating log uname and log password yung ating correct uname and correct password is mag-print na po siya ng login successful. Then, ipiprint din po niya yung pangalan ng user. Then, matatapos na po yung loop. So, pag niran po siya, is ganito po. Enter full name. So, gawin natin username is si Miles. Type of user, user. Password. So, try natin lahat naka lowercase. So, 8 characters. So, dagdagan natin. So, password must contain at least one uppercase letter. So, uppercase natin yung first letter. So, na-uppercase na natin, then may lowercase na. So, ang sinabi niya, password must contain at least one number. So, lagyan natin ang number sa dulo. May number na sa dulo, but ang sinabi niya, password must contain at least one special character. So, either of these is tatanggapin niya kahit isa lang. So, Miles, 1, asterisk. So, ayun na, tinanggap na niya. Then, magko-confirm password na tayo. So, password successfully accepted. So, itong username is yung in-input natin kaninang username. Kailangan mag-match siya para ma-accept ng system. So, Miles, then Miles, Allen, 1. So, tayo natin ibahin yung password. So, invalid credentials. Please try again. Then, number of attempts remaining is 2 na lang. Since nabawasan ng isa yung toy. So, try natin ulit. 1 asterisk. So, ayun. Login successful. Welcome, Miles Allen. So, doon po natatapos yung ating simple registration form.